Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we are going to review NatWest credit card. The NatWest credit card is a popular option for those who want a straightforward, low-cost card. It's a Visa card, so it's accepted almost everywhere, and it's well suited for people looking to manage their debt with a competitive balance transfer offer, or those who prefer not to pay an annual fee. So first thing that I will talk about is the key features. And the first key feature is no annual fee. That's right. The NatWest credit card doesn't charge you annual fee, making it ideal for budget-conscious users. You have also another key feature, which is balance transfers. One of the standout features is their 0% interest on balance transfers for a set period. This can help if you want to consolidate debt from higher interest cards. The third key feature is purchase rate. While the 0% on purchases for a limited time is attractive, it's important to understand the APR after the promotional period ends, which we'll discuss shortly. Now let's talk about the fees and interest rates. It's always a key consideration when choosing a credit card. As I said, the card typically offers 0% interest on balance transfers for up to 18 months. But be aware, there is usually a 2.9 transfer fee after the 18 month. For the purchases, it also provides 0% on purchases for up to 6 months, which is great if you are planning to make large purchases and pay them over time. After the introductory period, the standard APR kicks in, which ranges from 9.9% to 21.9%, variable depending on your credit score. So it's really important to pay off your balance before this happens to avoid high interest. For the other fees, it's worth noting that late payment fees, cash advance fees, and foreign transaction fees may apply. So make sure you are aware of these before using the card abroad or for certain transactions. Now let's move on to the rewards and perks of using NatWest credit card. Occasionally, NatWest offers cashback on certain purchases through their My Rewards program. These offers tend to be tied to specific retailers, so keep an eye on those promotions in the NatWest mobile app. As it is a Visa card, you also benefit from Visa's purchase protection, which can be a real lifesaver when buying high-ticket items. If something goes wrong with your purchase, you are covered. Another benefit is the integration with the NatWest mobile app, which offers features like instant notifications, spending breakdowns, and the ability to freeze or unfreeze your card. Plus, you can easily add the card to Apple Pay or Google Pay for contactless payments. And if you are planning on using the card abroad, you will benefit from Visa's wide acceptance internationally, though do watch out for that 2.75% foreign transaction fee. Now let's summarize the pros and cons of the NatWest credit card so you can get a clear idea of whether this card suits your needs or not. I will first start with the pros. As I said, no annual fee. And this is a very important advantage. Plus, zero balance transfer offer, which is great for paying off existing debt at no interest for a set time. 0% on purchases, useful for making large purchases without worrying about immediate interest. Solid mobile app, offers helpful tools for managing your spending and security. Visa protections, good coverage for purchases and travel use. And this is one of the most important things that you should take care of. Now, let's jump into the cons or disadvantages. Balance transfer fee. While the 0% is nice, the 2.9 fee could be steep for larger transfers. Foreign transaction fees. If you travel abroad often, the 2.75 fee on international purchases could add up. High APR after the entry period. Once the 0% period is over, the variable APR can be quite high, depending on your credit score. Limited rewards. Unlike other cards that offer ongoing cashbacks or points, NatWest rewards are mostly promotional and sporadic. So, who is the NatWest credit card best for? It's ideal for people who want to consolidate debt and take advantage of balance transfer offers. It's also a good fit for those looking for a simple, no annual fee card that doesn't complicate things with tons of features or rewards. However, if you are a frequent traveler or someone who likes to maximize credit card rewards, there may be better options for you. So, what's our final verdict on NatWest credit card? Overall, it's a solid, low-cost card, for anyone looking to save on interest through balance transfer or make some purchases without upfront fees. While it may not offer the flashiest rewards, it's a reliable option for anyone looking for simplicity and flexibility without the burden of an annual fee. And that is it for today's review. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, leave a comment down below, share this video with your friends, and see you in a new video.